Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today to discuss a question that shaped the future of our society. To what extent should we allow humanoid robots to take over roles traditionally held by humans, particularly in fields like healthcare, manufacturing, and caregiving? This is not just a question of technology, but one of ethics, economics, and human connection. As we stand on the cusp of a robotic revolution, we must weigh the benefit of efficiency and precision against the irreplaceable value of human touch and judgment. Let's begin with healthcare, a field where precision and compassion coexist. Humanoid robots equipped with advanced AI can perform tasks like administering medicines, monitoring vital signs, or even assisting in surgeries. With remarkable accuracy, for instance, robotic surgical systems like the Da Vinci have already reduced recovery times by enabling minimally invasive procedures. In hospital, facing staff shortage, robots can fill gaps ensuring patients receive timely care. Imagine a robot tirelessly monitoring a patient's heart rate overnight, alerting doctors to anomalies in real time. This could save lives in understaffed rural hospitals. However, healthcare is not just about data and procedures. Patients often need empathy, a reassuring words, a gentle touch that robots, no matter how advanced, struggle to replicate. A 2023 study found that 70% of patients prefer human nurse for emotional support. Even when robots handle technical tasks flawlessly, should we allow robots to dominate healthcare roles? Only to extent that they complement, not replace human caregivers who provide the emotional intelligence that machines lack. In manufacturing, the case for humanoid robot is stronger. Factories worldwide already use robotic arms for repetitive tasks like assembling cars or packaging goods. Humanoid robots with their ability to navigate human design space take this further. Companies like Tesla are developing robots like Optimus to work alongside humans, performing dangerous or monotonous tasks. Think handling toxic chemicals or lifting heavy loads. This boosts productivity and reduce workplace injuries, which cost United States industries over 150 billion US dollars annually. By delegating repetitive jobs to robots, humans can focus on creative roles like designing products or improving systems Yet there's a catch. Widespread automation risks just job displacement. The World Economic Forum estimated in 2020 that automation could displace 85 million jobs by 2025, particularly in manufacturing. While new jobs in tech and maintenance may emerge, the transitions can leave workers, especially older or less skilled ones, struggling. We must pair robotic adoptions with robust retraining programs to ensure workers aren't left behind. In manufacturing, robots should take over hazardous and repetitive roles, but only with policies that protect and reskill the human workforce. Caregiving, particularly for the elderly and disabled, presents the most complex case. Humanoid robots like Japan's Robert can lift patients, reducing physical strains on caregivers, while others like Pepper provide companionship through conversation and games. In aging societies like Japan, where 29% of the population is over 65, robots address a critical shortage of caregivers. They can remind patients to take medications or assist with mobility. improving independence. However, caregiving is deeply human. A robot can replicate the warmth of a family member or the intuition of an experienced nurse who notice subtle signs of distress. Over reliance on robot risks isolating vulnerable people who may feel like burdens rather than valued individuals. A 2024 survey showed 65% of elderly respondents felt lonelier when cared for by robots compared to humans. We should allow robots in caregiving to handle physical tasks and support human caregivers, but never to the point where they erode the human connection essential to emotional well-being. So, where do we draw the line? Humanoid robots should take over roles where they enhance human capabilities, performing precise surgeries, handling dangerous factory tasks, or assisting with physical caregiving duties. But they must not replace the human elements of empathy, creativity, and judgment. To achieve the balance, we need clear boundaries, regulation to prevent over automations, investment in human retaining, and ethical guidelines to prioritize human dignity. For example, Germany's Industry 4.0 initiative pairs automation with worker upskilling, showing how technology and humanity can coexist. In conclusion, humanoid robots are powerful tools, but they are not our replacement. We should embrace them to augment human potential, not diminish it. In healthcare, let them assist doctors and nurses, not supplant them in manufacturing. Let them take on grueling tasks, but support workers through the transition. In caregiving, let them lift physical burdens, but preserve the human touch. The future isn't about choosing between humans and robots. It's about ensuring they work together to create a world that's more efficient, safer, and still deeply human. Let's shape that future thoughtfully, ensuring technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Thank you.